Basic automotive maintenance, checking and changing engine oil. Introduction. Engine oil is essential for engine performance. Learn how to check and change it properly. Here is how I'm going to give you how to change it properly. And before we change it, uh, here are tools needed: engine oil, corrective type. We also have oil filter, wrench, funnel, oil drain pan, gloves, and safety glasses. Checking oil level. Also, it is very much important to check the level of the oil before changing it. 1. Back on level ground and turn off engine. 2. Locate the dipstick and wipe it clean. 3. Reinsert and remove it to check the level. And 4. Ensure oil is between the minimum and maximum marks. Draining all the oil. Now we need to drain the oil inside the engine. Procedure number 1. Lift the car safely using a car jack. Number 2. Place an oil drain pan under the oil block. And number 3. Unscrew the drain block and let oil flow out. And lastly, wait until completely drained, then tighten the block. Now we need to replace the oil filter. Of course, after changing the whole oil, also there is the whole oil filter that needs also to be replaced. Procedure number 1. Locate the oil filter. Number 2. Unscrew the oil filter and let remaining oil drain. Number 3. Apply new oil to the rubber seal of the new filter. Number 4. Install the new filter and untighten it. Now we need to add the new oil. Adding new oil. Procedure number 1. Remove the oil cap. 2. Use a funnel to pour new oil. In bracket, check your car's manual for amount of oil that needs to be poured. Either you need 2 liters because it depends on the ratio or the amount of oil that needs to be bought inside. Number 3. Replace the cap and run the engine for a few minutes. Lastly, check for leaks and verify oil level with dipstick. Yeah, that dipstick has maximum and minimum level, and you now need to verify it. In conclusion, regular oil changes improve engine health. Always dispose of used oil properly. Check oil levels regularly to prevent engine damage. Thank you. Have a good time as you're going to change your oil.